First, turn on the power and wait for the system to start. The buttons from left to right are emergency stop. Start, pause, and stop. The USB port is used for. First, turn on the power and wait for the system to start. The buttons from left to right are emergency stop. Start, pause, and stop. The USB port is used for data input. After the startup screen, select the recipe, then go to the start page. Enter the admin page. Input the password. Enter the jog robot page. Power on the robot, and jog the robot. We have a palletizing robot with 7 axes, each representing a direction. Use the jog robot to define the conveyor belt position for accurate picking later. After this, confirm and proceed to create a new recipe. Select palletizing settings, then choose Recipe Menu. In the pallet settings page, create a new recipe, name it, and confirm. After a short wait, select Edit. Input the pallet's dimensions in mm, and proceed to the next step. In the carton settings page, create a new carton with its dimensions. No need to input weight. And proceed. Choose Add, then configure each pallet layer. Select the previously created recipe and confirm. In the pallet pattern settings page, you can manually adjust each box's position or let the robot arrange them by default. The nearby buttons allow fine-tuning of the box positions, which I'll explain later. After adjustments, move to the next step. Here, you can set 2 or 3 different patterns per layer. For example, Layer 1 uses pattern A, Layer 2 uses pattern B, and so on. You can repeat patterns, but don't exceed the maximum height limit. Typically 2.4 meters or 2.1 meters. Confirm and select the other side. If both sides of the palletizing are identical, you can apply the same recipe and pattern to the other side and save. Ensure both sides are set before saving, then start the process. Now, I'll explain the pallet pattern settings. For instance, if each layer has 9 boxes, input the values, confirm, and edit. You can choose Propose to make auto-arrange or manually drag boxes. Red indicates overlapping, which is not allowed. Yellow indicates selection. And gray indicates the boxes are within normal range. Prepose allows fine-tuning of the XYZ axes by inputting values. Multi allows manual adjustments of the boxes using functions like left align, right align, top align, bottom align, vertical align, horizontal align, and mirror then to the next. Have you learned it? The operating system's text can be translated into multiple languages, easily and quickly, with path setup taking only 5 minutes. You can also optionally equip it with a light curtain, safety fence, or radar system to enhance its features. First, turn on the power and wait for the system to start. The buttons from left to right are emergency stop.